today we can do a little town called Xinpu. Oh, called Xinpu. And today, 正好. And you are Marlin. And I think probably guys, you will be curious where Marlin come from. And can you give us any hints?
It's made in Sweden.
Yeah.
Okay.
The country of IKEA.
Country of IKEA. Very nice to meet you. And today we were going to learn some survival Chinese.
Yeah. No, you.
很
高兴认识你。
So today we came to a Taoism temple, and first you can see the decoration there on the rooftop. They got some, do you know what's that? The sand monster, the green monster. What is that?
The green monster.
Yeah, you see? That one, the green one. That's our, 要怎么说龙?
Dragon.
It's our, yeah, our dragon, traditional dragon. And what's the reason people put dragon on the rooftop? 为什么他们要把那个龙放在屋顶 ？For luck, because old days people believe they will bring some rains or storms or maybe some winds from sky. So when they got fire here, yeah, they will set the temple. And let's get inside, check. Okay. 你好。
大家好。
So we got, here's the front gate, and we cannot pass through, but in the middle, right?
Maybe it's reserved for God.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a passage for gods, and we have to get in front here. 右进左出，对不对？哎，怎么有人从左边进去？我也不确定。
都可以。
In Taiwan, I think it's quite interesting because we got the Taoism and Buddhism, and actually this one is a Buddha. It's a Buddha. Apparently, it's a Buddha. What I say is quite interesting because I think we mix different religions together to show the tolerance. Yeah, we got open minds. Yeah, we won't fight just because you're Christian and Buddhism. The first, you will have to introduce yourself to God in any language, and you have to pray for your health or anything you want to achieve. But if you got any question about your future, here you see what is yes.
What it
That's
is?
what I told you. That's a fortune stick.
Yeah.